Okay, let's talk about direct examination. We have like an hour left. One of the things that I noted when I was doing research for this course, I looked at a survey that Law 360 did, which is a law website, and they did a survey of the district court judges on patent cases. And one of the big things, in my view, becomes how much time each side has on a case. Now, normally in a personal injury case, a criminal case, a civil case, these cases can drag on forever. Okay, O.J. Simpson case went on for 6 months or whatever it was. I mean, these cross-examinations on cases go on for weeks, and the judge is sitting there and everybody's fine, and it just goes on and on. Well, that's not what's happening in patent cases. The patent cases, the judges are pretty strict. So the survey they did, they surveyed all the district court judges on patent cases, and they asked 2 questions: average time allotted in patent cases for simple and complex cases. 70% of the judges said 7 to 14 days for a simple case, 14 days for a complex case. Some judges, as you might expect, were much stricter. 20 hours per side, no matter how complex the case is. Well, you got 15 patents, you got 6 experts. Man, you got to talk real fast, okay? Because now the time is compressed. And that becomes a very important part of this direct and cross-examination. Some of them said that you have the trial has to be completed within 6 days. So what's going to happen as a result of that? Counsel, with the expert, has to hone in on exactly what they're going to say and what they're going to do. Everything has to be choreographed to the nth degree. There's no time for counsel to, generally speaking, to ask you open-ended questions and have you, tell the history of Western civilization and eventually get around to the case. There's no time for that. There are people with stopwatches, literally, clicking a stopwatch, and the lawyer has 6 hours to try a case, and at the end of the 6 hours, they have to sit down. So if they haven't finished their case, there's a big problem. So there's a time pressure on the lawyers, and that translates over, and actually, it's probably a good thing for you. So on direct examination, a couple of things happen. They will have less time to what I call humanize you as a great person. Okay, they'll do it, but it's very shortcut.